Hey guys, welcome back to Antonio the Realtor. In today's video, we are going to look at 2817 Maple Avenue. It's $455,000 with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's not a rehab, it's really well kept. So without further ado, let's go take a look at this awesome home. All right guys, let's get this tour started. I had to put on some of these because my feet are still wet and I don't want to ruin their floors, but here we go. Right into the living room. Beautiful. I like the floors. The floors are brown, but they also have like a little mixture of possibly blue in them. Looks good. You know, when you go to Home Depot and you go into the stain section, they'll have brown, dark brown, light brown, but then they'll have colors going into blues or going into greens. I'm not sure if this goes into greens or blues, maybe more green than anything, but it's nice. Nice large window up here. Okay, there's your glass blocks for people that like glass blocks. I like the videos. I have people reaching out to me telling me, I hate those glass blocks. I like those in that occasion. That's cool. It's circular. They didn't, you know, it's nice, it's different. Some people are gonna say, it only belongs in the bathroom. No. Decorative, you get to do what you wanna do in this lifetime, right? So, nice living room, dining room combo. When I came up the stairs, that's a closet where you can hang up your jackets and stuff like that. And we have a nice LED light up top, so pretty cool. I do like this. I do like the way that this is set up. I like the fact that you have those stairs there out in the open. That's really nice. It's really nice. It's almost like in that movie Sweet 16, the daughter comes down the stairs in her dress, ready for her to go to the prom or something like that. You all know what I mean. But that's cool, okay? That's gonna lead us to bedrooms, I'm sure a bathroom upstairs. So this space right here is gonna be for a dining room table, most definitely, okay? Or unless you guys are gonna put an office, like down here. But pretty nice. I will point out that they have this light post here because I don't see any lights up here anywhere. So you're gonna have to put your own decorative lighting in here to get the thing properly lit, okay? I'm gonna come over here in the corner. That's a nice space. And then this, of course, is the living room space. And for me, I'm doing television's gonna have to go on that wall for me. Couch is here. Maybe a couch along the wall there. So when people come up, they have this space to walk in. Maybe the couch starts here. I don't know, we'll see, okay? But yeah, that's the living room. And I'll come over here. I'll give you guys one more look from this direction. Not bad. Not bad. Hardwood floors are real, guys. Okay, so we have a bathroom. We'll go into the bathroom first. Right when we walk inside, there is your sink. Okay, there are your lights. Let me see if I can turn the lights on. There's the lights. Water pressure, good. Okay, good. Very simple frosted glass window. Now here is a shower, because there is a shower in this bathroom on the first floor. Tile job is nice. It's fine, standard size shower. Actually, maybe a little bit smaller. At the end of the day, you have enough room to do what you gotta do in here, so that's cool. And remember, guys, this is the first floor, so there's that. Now, there is a bedroom down here. A lot of times my clients will tell me, you know, Antonio, I need to find a house that has a bedroom on the first floor because I have an elderly relative living with me, or you know, or my arthritis isn't allowing me to walk, or I just want something on the first floor for the sake of, you know, being able to have an office down here. This is nice. You can put any size bed in here and you are going to be fine. It has a closet and there are also vents. Okay, so you have a heat source. Okay, there you go. We got a pull string here. There you go. The pull string. That's a nice closet, and a nice huge window here. Okay, check this out. And I'm going to show you guys the yard because a lot of the times I get people saying, "Oh, you never show the yard." Here you go, just for you guys. Put in the comments if you appreciate this yard view, and then you know what? I'll even do this. Check this out. I'll even zoom in on the garage. Okay, nice 2-car garage. And this is an oversized lot, everybody. This is an oversized lot in Berwyn, okay? Let's go to the kitchen. Bam, we're in the kitchen. I like it. Okay, they have these lights up here, light over the sink, light up here. And if I come over here, we do have a pantry, which is cool. And let me show you something else too, because I missed it. Okay, bathroom, bedroom. There is another storage space right here in case you guys want to put your spices or, you know, your secret ingredients to the most kickin' chicken masala that you guys know how to make. You would do that, you know, put the ingredients in there. We have a stove, we have a dishwasher, and we have a refrigerator. And the layout is fine. There's a lot of kitchen space in here for you to move around to do your thing. Totally fine. Okay. There we go. Nice. Okay, let's take a look at these. So this is not a rehab. This is somebody came in here, cleaned up, made sure things were painted, and a lot of the stuff in here is functional, but this isn't a rehab. This is just a lived-in home that was taken care of for the most part. You got little things like, I don't know if you guys can see these, there's like little dents in the refrigerator here. I mean, that happens over time, people bumping into, like if you're wearing a ring, check it out. If you're wearing a ring and you call it, you're gonna grab the thing and open it, that's what happens. See that? Oh, fridge is nice. Fridge is nice. Okay, fridge is nice. Samsung refrigerator. So that is the first floor. It's a nice place, okay? We are gonna go into the basement now. And I will tell you, so far, going down the stairs of the basement looks quite nice. The stairs look like they're in order. The banister wasn't loose, it was good. And everything looks very clean. So now this is my first time in the basement too. You guys are watching me experience this live with you. So I'm gonna see what the lights turn on. Okay, we got can lighting down here, that's great. Oh, we have a laundry room. So let's do this. Laundry room, first thing here, this laminate floor looks like it's newer. And the laminate floor goes through the room here, the floor here, and then into this room here, which is your mechanical room, okay? So let's take a step back really quick. We'll look at the mechanical room. There's your Bryant HVAC system, okay? You have your boilers back there, which is cool because it's enough space to take it out and switch it out if you had to. You have storage space down here, which is cool. And yeah, that works. So let's come back over here to the laundry room. I know you guys wanted to see that. All right, here we are in the laundry room. And you have, probably this is coming from the HVAC system across the way. So that water's coming this way and dumping into that sink more than likely. There is your electrical box. I'll come this way so you guys can see. It's a nice laundry room. The only thing you need in here is a table. And this is a perfect spot for your table. You can fold your clothes. And it's nice not having to go to the laundromat. You know what I mean? Now, let's take a look at the basement. We'll give it a quick left, right. So here is the basement. I'm gonna turn this way. And I will say, it's large open space. It's large open space. What more can you really ask for? Okay. I'm gonna go this way. Yep, nice. I do appreciate the can lighting in here. It's needed. It illuminates the basement extremely well. I do like it. We do have egress windows here, so you can, if you have to pop out and hop out, they have handles. You unlock it and you hop out in case there's a fire or something like that. So this place is, so far so good. It's a nice cozy home. We are gonna go up the stairs and we are going to go to the second floor where you're going to find more bedrooms and I'm hoping a whole nother bathroom. I haven't been upstairs, you guys. We're watching this live. Oh, we get to go up the princess stairs where we come down and we look beautiful just in time for prom. Look at that. How do I look? Go back upstairs, you look terrible. No. All right. Coming up. There is the bathroom. Let's go in the bathroom first. Okay. Going in the bathroom. Turning on lights. Okay. You know, it's a nice tile floor, not a lot of surface area, but I'm sure the space is made up like in the bedrooms. There's your shower. Tile looks good. The grout looks new, so I'm pretty sure they did some work in here. Nice tub. There you go. You got a tub, you guys. Okay, water pressure. Water pressure is good. Okay, water pressure is good. So let's go take a look at some of these bathrooms. Or not bathrooms, bedrooms, I'm sorry. 1, 2, there's 3 bedrooms up here. Okay, the first one, oh, it's long. Okay, good, it's a long bedroom. I would still do a twin size bed in here. If you wanted to do a full, you could definitely do that. But nowadays, people with their computer setups, you know, they're gonna want a place to put their desk with a PC. If you do that, you know, plenty of space in here to put a television along the wall. And then over here, you do have a closet, which is cool. Now, bedroom number 2 upstairs, the second bedroom upstairs, 3rd overall. This is nice, and the closets are fitting the outside of the house. Like when you look at the profile of the house outside, you'll understand why these rooms are the way they are here. This looks like it's some sort of access panel here, okay? So if I turn around and I do this, take a step back, you can put a full-size mattress in here, you'll be good. You put a twin bedroom in here, you'll be living even more comfortably. There we go. Here is the last bedroom. Okay, and oh, this bedroom is the bedroom that's furthest to the back of the house. And if I come over here, I give you guys a bird's eye view of the neighbors, right? And of the yard. Nice, huge yard. Everyone's always asking me, oh, Antonio, find me a house with a big yard. I'm gonna have to mentally keep this one in mind just in case like it doesn't sell right away. This would be a really good option for anybody. We got a closet right here. Let's take a look. Oh, and there you go. Here's a storage panel to get underneath that space. You know, just probably like a Christmas tree or your winter clothing. You can put the stuff behind the wall right there, and that'll work nicely. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more property tours, you can click on the left over here for Berwyn, or you can click over here for everything on my channel, and then the circle in the middle right here is to subscribe. But I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.